Salve discipuli. This is Magister Buddy with a Stage 35 activity on practice converting direct to indirect statements. I'm going to read to you a series of direct statements, and you're going to have two options. One will correctly convert that direct statement into an indirect, and the other will do so incorrectly. For example, you might hear me read, Grumio canam in culina coquit, which means Grumio is cooking dinner in the kitchen. And then you'll have multiple options. For example, dicus grumionem canam in culina coquera, or dicus canam a grumione in culina coqui. You say that Grumio is cooking dinner in the kitchen. Or you say that dinner is being cooked by Grumio in the kitchen. So A is the one that correctly converts this direct statement up here into an indirect statement. Now moving forward, the main difference is going to be that you will only hear me saying the indirect statement. You're not going to be able to see it as well. Okay. Aliquando amici me visitant. Carminibus auium delectaris. Germani per vias orbis ducuntur. Cives Domitianum laudant. Mentimini. Indripa fluminis iaces. Versus martialis me delectant. Ad aulam imperatoris invitamur. Prima ora a clientibus salutor. Orationes audire vis. Valete discipuli.